Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Fully Informed Trade, or FI Trade for short, knowledge for everyone. My name is Alex Cho, and today I am going to be talking about Universal Corporation. It's basically a tobacco products company. They're basically a midstream supplier that goes between the agricultural farmers of tobacco and the tobacco companies that package them into cigarettes, like Philip Morris and Company. But this is a stock that's breaking out of a channel right now. It did have a pretty solid day. It went all the way up to $46.26. It has around a 4.5% dividend, I believe. You should probably look it up just to make sure. But it does give around a 4 to 5% dividend. So again, for all of you dividend investors out there, it's a pretty good opportunity. Another thing I like about this stock is that it is, again, breaking out of a channel. It is a long-term trade. It is a non-cyclical. In this market environment, there's a lot of demand for assets that are trading at reasonable prices and are relatively safe in comparison to more volatile names like perhaps Nordstrom, Sears Holding, Micron Technology, even SanDisk, companies like that. Those are the companies that you should really try to avoid, and look for companies like these that are safe, non-cyclical, consistent business models, breaking out of a channel, and again, in a market where where the stocks are pretty cheap all around. Stocks are just cheap all around across the board. I would much rather buy a quality company at a discount rather than trying to buy cheap, non-performing equities that are laggards at a discount. Usually, these longer-term bets on companies like Universal Corporation or Walmart or Pepsi will almost always work out much better over the long term, in the midterm, and perhaps even in the short term. That's been my experience, and I think UVV is perhaps one of those better buying opportunities, even though we have a lot of volatility, even though the markets aren't the perhaps most predictable environment to be trading in. It doesn't change the fact that you can buy good companies at pretty reasonable prices and also earn a dividend while you're buying them. Take care, folks. You have a wonderful trading session, and I'll be more than happy to answer some questions if you have any. Take care.